Picture this. It is 2 a.m. You are staring at a glowing screen, and a high-paying client's brand new AI automation just completely crashed. The timeline is incredibly tight, the pressure is absolutely on, and you are entirely on your own to fix it. Sound familiar? Well, this is the exact moment true AI developers are made.
Now, you might be wondering why most AI agents fail right out of the gate on day one. It is incredibly frustrating, right? You follow all the steps, you connect all the nodes, and then suddenly, boom, error after error. But here is a crucial mindset shift for you. These technical glitches, they aren't roadblocks. They are literally the final gatekeepers standing between you and building a highly profitable, reliable AI agency. Basically, if you can fix the bugs, you can scale the business. To help you get there, the troubleshooting frameworks in this explainer are produced by Waqas Ahmed Shah, an educator and AI agent and automation builder for educators, traders, and startups based in Karachi, Pakistan. Having guided over 500 developers through these exact same hurdles, you can rest assured these strategies are absolutely battle-tested out in the real world.
So, let's dive right into the foundational developer mindset. We call this the build twice rule. Because, let's face it, just casually watching a tutorial is not going to cut it. To truly master AI agent logic, every single agent has to be built from scratch with your own two hands, at least twice. The first time around, you were just copying, but that second time, that is when you are actually engineering. And that brings us to the ultimate problem-solving protocol. When you inevitably hit an error, don't just immediately run to a community forum asking for a bailout. Instead, apply the 4-hour rule. Screenshot your broken workflow, feed it directly into ChatGPT or Claude, and treat the AI as your personal debugging mentor. Put in the brain sweat for a few hours. That specific struggle is exactly what builds the independent problem-solving muscle you are going to desperately need during a live client emergency.
Okay, let's rapid fire through some of the most common platform bugs that trip absolutely everyone up. If your NN workflow says it's executing but shows nothing, just refresh the browser tab. It's a super common visual glitch. If you're trying to connect Facebook and failing the verification, make sure there are 0 invisible spaces in your verify token name. Just wipe them out. And when testing Facebook, always remember to add the subscribed fields parameter so you can pinpoint the exact point of failure.
Then, of course, there is this classic error that stops almost every single new automation builder dead in their tracks. You try to connect Google Drive to your agent, and Google throws up this massive, highly intimidating warning claiming the app is unverified. The fix for this is surprisingly simple, and it requires literally 0 coding. Just open up your Google Cloud Console, navigate over to the Audience tab, and click Publish. You see, if your app is left sitting in testing mode, Google just straight up blocks the connection. Publishing it permanently clears that roadblock right away. Now let's look at a fatal trap when it comes to data retrieval: vector database mismatches. If you're connecting a Pinecone database to an AI model, those dimensions have to match perfectly. For example, if you are using OpenAI, you need to set your dimensions to 1536. But if you switch over to Gemini, that number drops to 768. If those numbers do not match up, your entire agent is going to crash instantly. Have you ever fetched data and it just inexplicably comes back as undefined? Yeah, this is almost always a JSON formatting issue. Large language models love to be helpful, so they often add triple backticks or extra quotation marks into their responses, but those tiny extra characters completely break the JSON structure. To avoid this headache, always explicitly prompt the AI to return clean JSON without any markdown formatting. Then there is the dreaded insufficient quota error. It sounds incredibly intimidating, but honestly, it literally just means your prepaid API credits ran dry. Resolving this is as simple and as cheap as loading another $5 to $10 into your OpenAI or Gemini account. Don't let a minor API cost kill your momentum while you are building. Once you conquer all of these fundamentals, you truly unlock multimodal capabilities. You can seamlessly start integrating the WhatsApp Business API or even use tools like 11 Labs for automated voice calling. Sure, these third-party APIs are going to incur some extra costs, but they instantly elevate your agents from basic text bots into fully interactive, enterprise-grade tools. But remember, technical mastery is really only half the battle. The rest of it comes down to positioning. The master business strategy here is to stop being a generic jack-of-all-trades. Don't just go around selling AI automation. Instead, pick one specific industry. Maybe it's hospitals or restaurants or real estate. By solving complex, hyper-specific problems for one niche, you instantly become a premium expert, and that means you can command premium pricing.
Keep in mind, though, you don't scale in a vacuum. The most successful developers make it a point to dedicate about 30 minutes every single day to community authority building. Taking the time to answer questions and solve errors for your peers isn't just free work. It builds a remarkably powerful, referral-generating reputation. Because when you elevate the community elevates your business right back.
So, what is the big takeaway from this explainer? It's time to stop copying templates and start engineering real solutions. Embrace the bugs. Every single error you fix builds a stronger moat around your specialized AI business. Look, the market is absolutely flooded with beginners right now. The real question is, are you ready to put in the brain sweat required to build exactly what those high-paying clients are actually searching for?